Welcome to my YouTube channel Modi Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. So in this video I would like to explaining in details onto the MCQs onto the super finishing processes. So this is our session number 3 onto the MCQ on super finishing processes. So first of all, subscribe my channel for the fundamental of mechanical engineering as well as special preparations onto the GAT, UPSC and all kind of government examinations. So let us start with our question number 1. The direction of finishing is known as option A, flows, option B, lay, option C, waviness, option D, roughness. So basically the direction of the finishing is always known as a lays. So the option B. Then next question. The pattern of the work surface caused by the movement of the cutting tool is known as option A, surface texture, option B, roughness, option C, roughness spacing, and option D, waviness. So basically such kind of patterns of the work surface caused by the movement of the cutting tools. So if there will be any kind of cutting tool, so it will be always generating some kind of movement onto the surface. So that will be called as a surface textures onto the surface of the metals. So option A, surface texture. Then next question. The irregularities in the surface texture due to the inherent action of the producing process is known as option A, secondary texture, option B, roughness, option C, waviness, and option D, waviness spacings. So by the movement of the cutting tools onto the surface, that will be the surface textures. So in case of the irregularities into the surface textures, so that will be called as a roughness. So the option B, roughness. Then next, which among the following process is employed for embedding the abrasives on the lap? Option A, lapping process, option B, fixing process, option C, charging process, and option D, rubbing process. So generally the charging process that will be employed for embedding the abrasives onto the lap. So that abrasives material, it will be charged onto the workpiece materials. So that will be called as a charging process. So the option C, charging process. The next question. Which among the following is the movement of honing machine during operations? Option A, horizontal, option B, vertical, option C, reciprocating, and option D, vertical and reciprocating. So for this question, so basically the movement, it will be the vertical as well as the reciprocating. So according to this question, so option D, vertical and reciprocating. The next question. Which among the following abrasives is used for honing tungsten steel? A, aluminium oxides, B, silicon carbides, option C, diamond, and option D, boron carbide. So basically the tungsten steel which will be having a good hardness. So for working onto that materials, so that will be the diamond materials is being used as a abrasives into the honing operations. So option C, diamond. So basically the aluminium oxide that will be used onto the non-ferrous and soft materials, the silicon carbide which will be also used onto the hard materials, and boron carbide which will be also used onto the hard materials. For tungsten kind of steel, it will be using a diamond materials. Then next question. The product is said to have the quality when option A, its shape and dimensions are within the limits, option B, it appears to be a very good, that will be the not necessary conditions, Option C, it is fit for use. And option D, the choice of the materials is right. So basically the product is said to have their quality when it will be used by that applications. So always all the products that will be fit for use. So that will be the necessary conditions for each and every products. So the option C, it is fit for use. Then next, which one of the following is the base metal for the process of hot dip coating? Option A, mainly ferrous. Option B, mainly non-ferrous. Option C, aluminium. And option D, zinc. So generally the mainly ferrous materials is the base metal for the process because that will be easily available. So the hot dip coating, it will be performing onto that for increasing the characteristics. So the option A. The next, which one of the following process is used for removing scratches from the previous operations? Option A, enameling. Option B, painting. Option C, oxidation. And option D, polishing. So basically the polishing, it will be used for removing the scratches from the previously operations. So the polishing. The next question, 1 micro inch is equal to? Option A, 1/10 of an inch. Option B, 100 of an inch. Option C, 1,000th of an inch. And option D, 1/1,000,000th of the inch. So basically 1 micron inch, that will be equal to 1/1,000,000th of an inch. So option D. So if you like this, then subscribe and share. Modi Mechanical Engineering tutorials. Thank you so much and keep watching.